Wuerth has a special product, BMF, the environment-friendly cleaner, with unique formulation for cleaning the engine parts instead of diesel.
Let me tell you a little bit more about the features of this product. BMF Cleaner is an eco-friendly, biodegradable cleaning agent. It has a high degreasing capacity, yet is mild and does not damage the material. And the best part is its material compatibility. It does not attack paints, rubber or plastic. Its fast separating feature in wastewater conforms to the standards specified by Austrian O-Norm Test B 5105. This Austrian O-Norm informs the sewage behavior of aqueous surface active cleaning agents. BMF Cleaner is available in different packages such as 1 litre, 5 litres, 20 litres and 60 litres. Now let us see how to use BMF Cleaner. Dilution ratio of BMF and water is 1:10. Next, apply the diluted cleaning solution to the surface and allow it for some time to take effect. Then rinse with water or wipe with wet cloth. Rinsing it with hot water with a temperature between 40 to 60 degrees Celsius speeds up the cleaning effect. The dilution ratio of the BMF cleaner depends on the grade of contamination. BMF cleaner can be used at multiple application points such as cleaning of seat, plastic, leather, shop floor, machine parts, and it has a domestic utility as well. Customer segments include automotive workshops such as passenger car, two-wheeler, commercial vehicle. It also includes industries such as plastic, furniture, leather, hospitality, construction, and it also can be used in agriculture equipment, windmill and elevator. For better cleaning results, it is preferred to use BMF cleaner with pump spray can, top gun, foam gun and microfiber cloth depending on the application.
Trust this information was useful to you. Remember, we strive for perfection in every area of our activities.